What I love about my natural spray cleanser for the house is that it actually takes care of your skin. If you have sensitive skin and have had allergies and allergic reactions to the cleaning products that you use in your house, this solves the problem. As a dermatologist, I know that many of the rashes my patients come in with are due to products that they don't consider are part of the problem of their rash because they didn't apply them to their skin, such as what they clean their shower with, what they clean their kitchen counter with. This is a hypoallergenic natural product with zero volatile components that can cause both respiratory reactions and also skin reactions. So it's a niche product I've searched for years to help guide my patients with hand eczema, atopic dermatitis, and other forms of allergic skin reactions, to provide them with a home cleaning product that actually works for them and doesn't irritate their sensitive skin. How you use this? Spray it on surfaces, wipe, it's great. It'll clean the bacon grease off the kitchen counter. If you're so inclined, it will clean bathrooms. It's not an abrasive. It's not gonna do the job when you need an abrasive to clean off mineralized deposits in the bathroom. But it's a great surface cleanser for walls, the car, the home, the kitchen counter, etc. And it's actually a dilution of my concentrate. So for those that don't want to chuck a perfectly good bottle and buy a whole nother bottle, you can buy this too, and then you can dilute it and fill up your spray cleaner, 1 to 10 dilution, 1 part this, 9 parts water, you're ready to go. So it's economical, it's friendly to the earth, it's friendly to your skin. I love this product.